Hello and welcome. In previous series, we understood what is coronavirus, its origin and transmission, similarity between COVID-19, SARS and MERS, its pathogenesis, its clinical features, structure of COVID-19 and life cycle of COVID-19. In this video, we'll understand what is covalescent plasma therapy for the treatment of coronavirus. Many called it as SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-19. What is coalescent plasma therapy? The FDA provides access to coalescent plasma, that is CP, materials abundant in antibodies obtained from suitable donors who are healed from COVID-19 previously. The FDA indicates that evaluating its safety and effectiveness by clinical trials is necessary prior to clinically prescribing coalescent plasma for patients with COVID-19, and for the same, FDA has issued guidelines to investigators and healthcare providers. Recently, State of Maharashtra from India launched world's largest plasma therapy trial for COVID-19 patients, known as Project Platina. We'll see one by one what is coalescent plasma therapy and its components. Coalescent plasma composition is complex and involves a wide range of components deriving from blood of recently relieved patient of COVID-19. Plasma includes a mixture of inorganic salts, organic compounds, water, and over 1,000 proteins. The other factors identified are albumin, immunoglobulins, complements, coagulation factor, and antithrombotic factors. Collagen plasma's anti-inflammatory effect include the antibodies network and the regulation of an overactive immune system. Additionally, some antibodies prevent complement cascade, that is C3A and C5A, and limit immune complex formation. Additional proactive antibodies including immunoglobulin G, that is IgG, and immunoglobulin M, IgM, are found in plasma in addition to neutralizing antibodies, that is NABs, which might show antiviral effect. IgG and IgM are the key isotypes, although immunoglobulin A, that is IgA, can also be important, especially for viral mucosal infections. Non-NABs, which bind to the virus but do not affect its ability to replicate, could also contribute to prophylaxis and improvement in recovery. The humoral immune response targets mainly spike S protein. Recently, we have published an article named Potential Therapeutic Targets for Combating SARS-CoV-2, its drug repurposing, clinical trials, and recent advancement. For more detail, go through it. The link is given below. Thank you everyone for listening. Do like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more knowledgeable videos like this. Thank you.